Hello and welcome to the first of your training videos as a new Ambit Energy consultant, and I'm going to tell you right up front how to succeed in Ambit Energy, and here it is. You need to follow the system, and in the succeeding videos I will teach you what the system is. So congratulations, you've made the right decision. Look at this quote here. Your decision to think right, choose right, and do right will rarely, if ever, be the easiest choice to follow, course to follow. So in other words, you have to come out of your comfort zone, which you did when you made the wise decision to become an Ambit Energy consultant. But now it's time for you to make another decision just like that. What is that decision? To follow Ambit's system. It seems like a no-brainer, but you would be surprised. So here's the deal. Don't subtract from Ambit's system. Don't try and add to Ambit's system. Don't try and change it. And don't bring your prior experiences into it. Especially those of you who have like a sales or a retail type background, your temptation will be to bring your prior experiences into trying to make Ambit Energy a success. Well, I want you to think about that. If you could get rich doing that, you would already be rich. So here's the deal. You need to be teachable. You need to empty your glass. Look at this glass right here that's already full of juice. No more can be poured into it. This glass cannot learn anything. It cannot receive anything because it's already full of its own knowledge. What you and I need to be is the empty glass. And we need to fill that Ambit glass with the Ambit system, which is tried and true and that it works. Here is the Ambit system. Once again, in the videos following this one, I will talk to you extensively about each one of these things. Number one, your why. Number two, your written list. Number three, the brief invitation. Number four, avoiding Death Valley, which is to talk too much during the invitation. Number five, presenting the business opportunity. Number six, doing the closing three-way call. And then number seven, helping and training and encouraging and holding accountable any new consultants that you sign up. This is it right here, folks. So life begins where your comfort zone ends. I want you to read that several times over because it's incredibly important. There's always at least one part of that 7-step system that you just saw that makes someone uncomfortable. Maybe it's the closing three-way call. Maybe it's doing the invitation. It doesn't really make a difference. Along your way, you will find something that will make you uncomfortable in your Ambit business. And when this happens, when you reach that place where you would have to reach outside of your comfort zone, you have three choices. Number one, just leave that part out of Ambit's system and just don't do it, hoping that success is going to happen anyway. So for example, if you're uncomfortable making that three-way call at the end of the presentation and you just leave it out and hope for success to happen anyway, here will be the result. No way, that won't work. Your chances to prosper will decrease. Here's the second choice you can make. Modify that part of Ambit's system, the part that makes you uncomfortable, into something that you are comfortable with, hoping that it will work. Here is an excellent example of that. When you make your invitation for people to see the business presentation, it must be done by the phone or it must be done in person. If you are uncomfortable with that, you will be tempted to modify it and say, well, I'll send a text or an email or a Facebook message or a letter. That won't work. Don't modify Ambit's system. Here's the third choice you can make. You can come out of your comfort zone and you can grow. And you will grow. That's one of the great things that Ambit Energy does for us as consultants is it brings us out of our comfort zone and causes us to grow. And we stick to the tried and the true system even if we're uncomfortable. That's our path to success. Ambit's system works, new consultant. If you apply this system over and over and you persevere through the no's that you will absolutely get, then you will succeed. You will build your Ambit business with consultants and customers and you will prosper. It only works though when you follow it. If you leave parts out of it or you try to change it, however, your business will grow slowly or not at all. You will be continually frustrated. So now please watch the next video. Number 2, developing your why. I will see you then.